Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends I am going to show you guys oppo mobile setting, and in this video friends I am going to show you guys oppo mobile guys screen decoding setting, how to use. So friends, in your oppo mobile you want to use screen decoding, you want to own screen decoding. So friends, now let's see how to own screen decoding, how to use screen decoding one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, in your oppo mobile, open your device phone setting. After turn phone settings and scroll down here, first of all friends we will select screen recording quality and screen recording sound setting we will on off. Open your device phone tool setting. After turn away phone tool setting, if you click here, so friends you can use 3 finger screenshot setting in your oppo mobile. So friends, second option click here screen recording. First of all friends, record system sound and record microphone sound you can on in your screen in your oppo mobile, and you can use your record system sound setting and microphone sound setting you can use. And you don't want to use screen recording sound, so you can off your screen recording sound. Friends, scroll down here video quality. Friends, you can select your video quality, high quality, low quality, medium quality you can use in your oppo mobile. High, medium, low quality you can use. So friends, I will use low quality video. And friends, front camera you want to use, so you can on. So friends, now how to use screen recording, you can take a swipe here, screen recording icon, click here screen recording icon, screen recording will show on your screen and you can use screen recording in oppo mobile. Friends, click here red button, screen recording will start in your oppo mobile and you can use screen recording setting. Friends, again click here red button, screen recording will save in your oppo mobile. Tap here, tap to view screen recording and you can check your screen recording video. Friends, we don't have any screen recording sound. Friends, mobile to mobile you want to share your screen recording video with nearby device, so you can share video. If you click here you can add your video in favorite list. Edit option, if you click here, so you can edit your screen recording video, and if you click here your screen recording video will delete. And first, if you click here three dots, so you can rename your screen recording video. If you click here, so you can rename your screen recording video and you can save. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. If in doubt you have any problem, so friends you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye.